Hello my friends, my name is Yuri and we start our weekly market overview. That's why what you should do right now, in a chat you write a comment about voice and sound. That will be a signal for me that everything okay and we can start. That's why right now in a chat about video and about sound. And also let's remind to everyone that webinar started. Okay, few words, few seconds. I want to. It's all good, awesome. That's why write in the chat your questions. Write in the chat question which you have. Gold. Okay. Yes, friends. We will speak about gold. We started. We started. Use link. Use link. We have started. Better to say we have started. Perfect. Okay, friends. Good evening. Yes, good evening, friends. Write in the chat about voice and sound. Also, what you should do. Also, please write about your questions which you have about market, about trading, and we will start. And few words, please. Few words, please. I would like to send into Twitter also invitation because I think it's important. Many people will be here. Friends, I don't see any questions from your side. Please write about voice, sound, about video, about do you hear me good, and something like that. That will be a signal that everything okay and we can start. Please write in a start. We have started weekly market all outlook. Use link. Few seconds in Twitter. I'm typing because I want to invite more people here. 10. Good evening, sir. Any idea on British pound? We will speak about all of these instruments which you all go you're out of focus. Few seconds. I would like to write here trading and what else? Trader. Okay, let's tweet it. Okay, good. Thank you, friends, for your feedback, and also write, please, all your questions which you have. What instrument is it interesting to you for you to see, and that will be best signal for a start. And I personally, as you see, I open trading view, and we would start our webinar. Euro, Japanese yen, yes, of course. Of course we will do it. Of course we will start it. Okay, let's delete everything. I want to open my list of my instrument, Euro trading instruments. Okay, and let's start. We will start from where is Euro USD. It's oil, and let's start Euro Japanese yen, and let's go after it. Okay, thank you so much, man. British pound, United States dollar. Okay, friends, let's start our webinar. Before let's make 10 like, because I see that here is 35%. Let's make 10 likes, and that will be a signal for me that we can start. After 10 like, we start. GBP seems to be going down still. Where do you think we might expect a correction from? Soon I will show you best places where it can happen. What is a mirror level? It is when support became a resistance and resistance became support. Why don't we use option straddle strategy on key levels? Your signal ground and mandatory any discount. Yes, I will send you a contact of my assistant where you can get a discount, because we created New Year offer for signals and for education together. That's why right now I would like to write in a chat contacts of my assistant, and you should write even now even you should write it even now. Friends, like I said before, after 10 like we start. Do you do account management? Yes, I do account management mostly from 100,000 account. Your account must be. For test, we can do, for example, like 50,000 account on profit sharing basis. And how those it works, friends, I will show you everything. Friends, we need one like, additional like to start our Outlook push like. That will be best signal that we can start it. Friends, let's start. Yes, it's like it's 10 likes now. No, good. Good, friends, now we can start. As you see, okay, Japanese yen. Let's start from Japanese yen. A few seconds at this moment. And how it looks. Technically, take a look here. Technically, what's going on here? If be honest, this instrument is not accurate because it looks like technically it looks like price bounced from this one and be below it. Technically, with huge probability, price will drop from this place. Okay, out of course, good. That's why I think with huge probability price will drop, because also we have this accumulation. In this area we can try to open sell with low risk. Let's start. We will do for a start, as always, we will do major instruments, and after that I'll show you other instruments. Let's use MT4 because here I have a list of major instruments. Friends, as you see, Euro USD here. Price are making a pullback into this area, which I show by blue color. Better to use red color here because it is a sell area. Few seconds. As you see, in this area, few days before, price were in this accumulation, and now we have a pullback. I think into this area there could be some entry with low risk and good reward, because still Euro USD in this box, as you see, price in this box. That's why with huge probability price will go will hit this key level 110, because it is another border of that box. Does the paid subs contain scalping signals for trading? Please write to my assistant Valerie. She will send you all information. Here is not about signals time. Telegram, our Telegram and our WhatsApp. Use these links and you will be able to ask all questions. It is education plus signal New Year offer, because the price really the best, and you will get so many bonuses, and to be honest, for you it will be awesome. Thank you. Okay, friends, Euro British Pound, as you see, price bounced in from this area. Technically we started a new short-term uptrend. At this moment there is no place for accurate entry, because as you see, powerful level here, and we don't have any powerful level here. That means there is no understanding where price is going, and also there is no some key levels in this area. That means better to be out. I will show you other examples of really powerful places where we should trade. About British Pound, technically, as you see, we started new downtrend from this point. At this moment price still in downtrend, and as you see, price broke down this key level. I will show you lower time frame and you will understand why it is a key level. As you see, before price started uprise, this huge uprise, also price bounced here, and its candle stopped it. Technically it looks like from this point price will continue drop to this area. Technically, that's why nearly this key level I will open sell if there will be false breakout. If 4 hour candle at least will close below, for me it will be sell signal and stop loss above tail. Strong buy. Australian Swiss franc is buy. We will check it. You will see it, friends. Far more important, not about strong buy, weak buy. Far more important in trading where you will open entry with low risk and with great reward. Because I can show you example of one trader, or better for you to open our YouTube channel and where you will see free lesson about what can happen if you will speak if you will think only about strong buy, strong sell. Far more important is where your entry point, because you open entry in one point. There will be only one point where you do it. That's why what's the most important for you. In that point, your risk must be the lowest as you can as it can possible be. That's why after this webinar you should watch that video which I just sent into discussion. You should save it. And also, friends, right now push subscribe on this YouTube channel, because there will be a lot of free video stuff. Okay, I think it's clear about British pound. British pound, Japanese yen, as you see, price broke down this trend line. Technically, it's also bearish, and what technically it will repeat British pound, original British pound, because Japanese yen sleep at this moment. That's why what I recommend for you, better to pay attention on British pound than on Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen price came back into this key level, as you see. Key place from which price bounced so many times. Technically, it is a bearish picture. Nearly this key level, you can try to open sell position. New Zealand, yes, we will cover New Zealand, friends. As you see, the next is New Zealand. Few words about New Zealand. First, we have two key levels on New Zealand, and I would like to explain you why it's really important and key levels. Because take a look on this one. It is a border of this range and this accumulation. As you see, from this point, price made a huge drop. It is one key level, and second is here, because it's a place from which price made powerful drop. At this moment, we are in the middle, and who knows, will price rise to this key level from this point, or price will rise after such pullback. But with 80% probability, price will hit this key level, will rise to this key level, because after such 1, 2, 3, 4 month accumulation, with bigger probability, price will continue uprise. Canadian, yes, we will do it. All your questions you should write in the chat. Friends, if you think this is useful for you, please push like, because YouTube will see that this video is trustful and will show it to more people. Thank you. Hi, sorry for the late ready. Still, it's good to see you here. Thank you for attending every webinar. Please write your question and I'll help you. Thank you. You're welcome. About Australian versus United States, is Australian still in this, as you see, in this global channel. And if be honest, I don't like Australian last month or even last year, because price in this channel, I don't see any accurate accumulation. I think the huge probability price will hit this level, and after that there could be continue of powerful drop, because I don't see any huge good accumulation and good key level. New Zealand Japanese yen, yes, we will speak about it. About British pound, United States, I already spoke, and you will be able to see after recording. Canadian in a range. This is an example for you what you should avoid. Canadian, we avoid. Swiss franc price in a range, huge accumulation, better avoid. Japanese yen, as I spoke before, price trend line with huge probability from this trend line price will drop. That's why nearly this key level we can open some sell entry, try to open. Gold, as you see, I set buy limit here on gold. Main reason why I did it on gold, because as you see this trend line, price broke it up for our candle close above, and I set buy limit with such goal. Main reason, as you see, we can do it even such trend line and price broke it up. That's what also every low become higher and higher. That's why I think with huge probability price will rise up. And also about US oil. Hello, thank you for doing this. What do you think about Euro USD? We spoke about Euro USD at the beginning. You'll be able to see it. Wait, please. If you have time, Yuri, please give us an update about Bitcoin. Yes, we'll speak about Bitcoin. Can you use stop loss and take profit when you share your idea, please? Such recommendations, stop loss, take profits, where exactly open entry I send to my VIP members. You can become a part of our BiKo family. As you see, 173 VIP members every day. I send its example for you. Overview where we can trade, and as you see, free signal. That's what you can use. As you see, someone ask Yuri, Australia and New Zealand, please. Yes, I record a video and explain everything. That's what you can do and what you can get. If you want, join for free. I think you get enough for free. Okay, where is it? Here. Oil, with huge probability price will drop into this area, because as you see, key level. I think price will bounce because it's a body of this channel. Nearly this key level, I think there will be accurate buy entry, because price still in uptrend, and I think it will be a key point. It's a level of Saudi Arabia attack. I think that will be a key point from which price can bounce. Hello, my dear Yuri. I am Ahmed from Egypt, waiting for this webinar since week. Do you recommend companies to buy share in it? At this moment, no, but after New Year, I will start doing such recommendation. That's why at this moment, market overbought, stock market, and better to hold cash. Friends, write please in a chat. Is it clear everything about you? Maybe you have some additional questions about instruments which we just saw. Write please in the chat. Is it clear? You need some we have something which we need to clarify. Also write additional your questions. I wait for your reply, and after that we will continue. Okay, we will cover New Zealand, Japanese yen. It's clear. Good. Friends, write please in the chat. Is it clear? Okay, good. Good, we can start and we can continue. Yes, that's all about major instruments, and at this moment we will cover instruments which you spoke above, and also Bitcoin will be at the end. Okay, British pound did. British pound, yeah, we did already. Yes, we did already. British pound. Okay, British pound, Japanese yen did. New Zealand, Canadian, Japanese. Canadian, Japanese yen. As you see, what do we have at this moment? Price made a re-high and bounced from it. Technically, it could be sell picture into this, but what can I tell you? It is not a clear picture. After this, I'll show you some clear pictures from which we will have accurate entries. It's not a clear. I would stay away from Canadian, Japanese yen, because even if you open sell right now, your stop loss will 70 pips, and to get 1 to 1 to 3, you need to set take profit here. It's too much, too big. Okay, New Zealand Japanese yen. Okay, let's open New Zealand Japanese yen, because I see that so many of you ask about New Zealand Japanese yen. Technically everything okay, as you see. Price after this accumulation, price broke it up in uptrend. Technically price will hit this key level. Technically open road to this key level. After that we will need to see what will be. If there will be false breakout, we will try to catch pullback. I'm using 4-hour and 1-day chart for determine the trend, and 1-hour chart for entry point, but I'm taking a very little profit. So in what time frame I should look for taking profit? Your take profit must be mathematical, in 3, 4, 5 times bigger, because according to statistics, those who use mathematical take profits will earn more money, because you don't know where price will bounce. What you need to track your records, and you need to see how many rewards you can get after entry. If, for example, if price rise 1 to 5, it's good to take always 1 to 4. Okay, go ahead. What are the instruments? New Zealand. Okay, friends, let's go to Bitcoin, and after this, those of you who will vote, for those of you, I will show you what is really accuracy, what is really pretty nice signals about okay, crypto. Okay, what about crypto? I think you remember that so many days ago I have posted an idea that from this point price can rise up. Technically it looks like Bitcoin will continue uprise into this to this key level, because as you see, it's a border, it's a range. Technically price will continue uprise to the 7,873. What will be after that, friends? If be honest, hard to speak, because if we will see crypto winter, what can be near this key level? Price will do false breakout like it did here, and after that we will see drop to this border. If price will break it up, fix above, there could be continue uprise to some key level, something like 9,000, something like that. That's why for you it's important to pay attention into this key level, what will happen there. If something interesting will be, we will open entry. So far, yes. Friends, XRP USD, okay, and the last instrument for today will be XRP USD. Oh my god, as you see, technically every low become higher, price in a triangle, price show to us some triangle, as you see. If price will break it down, we will see a downtrend. About Ripple, to be honest, I don't like Ripple, because I don't understand math of that and economy. Technically price below the key level 0.20, and till price below it there will be downtrend. Only if price will break it up after pullback, we will open accurate buy entry. Only in that case. Friends, I would really like if we can cover Nasdaq 100. Friends, we already covered most instruments which we should do, because because I said that after Bitcoin it will be the last. Friends, if those of you want to see what is really clear entries, what is a pretty nice places which we should trade, please write plus in a chat that you want to see really pretty nice places. Did you mention New Zealand Canadian before? New Zealand Canadian. But you didn't mention New Zealand Canadian. Okay, okay, it will be exception. New Zealand Canadian. Pricing uptrend. What do you want from this instrument? Take a look here. Huge accumulation, few months. Price broke it up, false breakout, rise up. Technically, price in uptrend. Really powerful place which can stop this uptrend is here. How many? 150 pips. Price can rise, but open buy here. You should set stop loss here. It's only 1 to 2 risk rewards. That's why not enough. Friends, write in the chat, please. Would you like to see about stop, please? We cover all instruments which we spoke before. You had enough time to write about Euro New Zealand. Friends, write please in the chat. Would it be interesting for you to see really accurate entries which you can trade in the future? Write please in the chat that yes, I'm interested, or write yes or plus, or yes, I'm interested in. Write in the chat it. If I will see at least more than 5 yes, I will do it and I will show it to you. Friends, 1 plus, yes. Friends, we need more. Only 1 person would like to see it. It's not enough. 2, 3, 4, and will be there 5. Yes, I see that 5. Okay, for you, good. At this moment, I would like to show to you what when can you start trading normally into first or second week. 1 week after New Year, best when you can start trading. New Year week and Christmas week is not healthy to trade. Friends, I want to show you really powerful place where you can open entry in the future, and that signals when price will come to that instruments I will send to my VIP members. If you will be a VIP member, you will get signals. First, we should speak about indexes, European indexes. Take a look. All European indexes, as you see, Euro 50, close to this historical high. It is a high of 2015. Take a look here. French 40 index, price close to historical high of 2007, and German DAX also close to historical high. With huge probability, price will bounce from it. I want to show you in example how indexes react on powerful level. Take a look here and take a look on this reaction. False breakout, and after that drop. We even can count how much risk reward. 100 pips stop loss and price drop down 1 to 20. Just imagine you put into a risk 1,000 to get 20,000. Another example for you on Australia 200. Take a look here on this first reaction on this historical high. I want to show you that reaction. Take a look here where it was this reaction. False breakout. 300, 100, 400, 1 to 15. Risk reward 1 to 15. That's what I'm waiting for, and that signals, of course, like this signal on gold, I will send to my VIP members. That's why for you, we made special New Year offer. It will help you start your new year better. Right now, it is the cheapest price. You will get so many bonuses. That's why right now write to my assistant Valerie about participation, about discount, and about proposition, because believe me, it's important to start new year properly. Friends, if you think this webinar was useful for you right now, push like before ending. Also subscribe on our YouTube channel, because so soon there will be so many useful videos. Thank you for your time. Bye.